Hi guys, how are you? I'm just hoping that you guys are doing great, and welcome to today's video as I'm going to show you guys how to shave your face. Yes guys, and before I continue, please just ignore whatever you're saying behind me. Yeah, I was doing this video very late in the night, and I decided to just record this video. Yes, and to show you guys how I do shave my face. Okay, yes guys, and before I start anything, let me clarify this. When you shave your face, it does not mean that the hair that will grow will be more thicker. That's a lie. The hair will still grow the same. It does not mean that the hair will be more thicker. No, 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 that's a lie. The hair will be still the same. Yes guys, so let's do this thing. Yeah guys, so first thing, let me share with you the importance of face shaving. Yes, number one, it helps you remove your hair. Yeah, and number two, it helps you remove dead skin. This is like, it actually acts like a physical exfoliator. It helps you clean up your face. Yes, it helps your face when you are doing your makeup. It blends in well and perfect, and it actually lasts longer, by the way, by shaving your face. And it also helps you to remove excess oil on your face, and actually it also helps you to remove debris. Sometimes you might jump into the shower, and then after having a shower, still there are some debris that have remained on your face that are stuck on your hairs. So it actually helps you remove those debris, and all in all, it just helps you to brighten your face. So this is one natural way on how to brighten your face. Okay, yeah, so guys, as you have seen in this video, I started this video by showing you my lasers, and I'm using the eyebrow laser. And the reason why I was showing you is that you're supposed to make sure that you're not using the same laser that you use on your eyebrows. It's the same laser that you're using on your face. So the reason, that's why I usually have to mark my lasers to make sure that I'm not mixing them at any point. Yes guys, and then after that, you have to make sure that you're working on a clean face. Yeah, why are we working on a clean face? This is to make sure that you don't want to spread germs on your face. You don't have to have infection on your face. Okay, yeah, so that's why you saw me showing you lasers, and actually I cleansed my face. So I cleansed my face, and then I toned it, and now after that I'm using this bio oil, because I use bio oil as my face oil. Yeah, so I'm using this bio oil to make sure that, to give that grease, to avoid roughness, and to avoid the laser, to avoid being so dry, so that the laser can just slide on my face. Okay, yeah, so to effectively shave your face, you really need to make sure that your face is clean and dry. Okay, clean your face and dry your face completely, okay, to avoid spreading germs. And then use a straight edge single blade laser, as like the one you've seen me using. That's actually, it's very easy because it has a handle. Yeah, I will advise you go for that. And then make sure that you're not using a dull razor to avoid irritating your skin, guys, because you can imagine like shaving your face with a dull razor. That will definitely irritate your skin. And then the other point is that when shaving your face, make sure that you're holding the skin taut with your hand, or maybe you can also improvise and use like your tongue to make sure that you're pushing your skin, the excess skin, to make sure that it's kind of taut, it's kind of tight. Yeah, so that to avoid maybe to cut yourself, like the way you see me doing over here. You can use your hand or apply pressure on that part. Yes guys, and make sure that you're doing short strokes. Okay, you're doing short strokes, and make sure that when shaving, make sure that you're doing your razor should be at 45 angle degrees, by the way. yeah, and gently you graze the skin with short light strokes while applying as little pressure as possible. Apply as little pressure as possible. Don't be too rough and don't be too, yeah, on your skin. So make sure that you're applying very little pressure on your face. And then guys, that's what we are going to do over here. So after every shaving you have to wipe your razor. So for me, I'm using cotton and also spirit, but you can also rinse your razor. Yeah, yes. So for me, I'll be wiping using cotton and spirit. Yes guys, so let's do this, and I just hope that you're going to try this next time. And actually, before I forget, if you have an irritated skin, a very dry skin, you have this irritated skin, please, I won't advise for you to do this, because it actually makes your skin more irritated and it dries your skin more. So that's why after you're shaving your face, you have to make sure that you have really moisturized your face to avoid that dryness and everything. So guys, you can see how I'm shaving my face. You can see the amount of hair that I had very, like I had, the last time I shaved was like 3 months ago. So this is not something that you do literally like every day, And by the way, before I forget, by shaving your skin, this does not mean that the hair that will grow will be more thicker than the previous hair. No, that is just a narrative that I don't know where people got it from. But when you shave your hair, does not mean that the hair that will grow will be more thicker. Okay, yes guys, so you can see the difference at this time. This is my first, I had shaved the first time and I decided to go in the second time. Yes, and there's still some little hairs that had remained, so that's why I decided to go the second time. So you can see how bright I'm becoming over here. See how bright I'm becoming. You can see the difference. Yeah, because at the beginning I was kind of dull, and you can see right now I'm very bright. That is something that you can see. That's something that you can literally see, how bright I'm becoming. Yes guys, and after that guys, I'll be just cleaning the oil and apply serum, and that is it. That is really it, nothing much. But guys, you really need to try to do this, because this is an amazing beauty trick that you really need to try. Okay, yes guys, so that was it from me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you have subscribed guys. And for those who have subscribed, I really appreciate you. I totally appreciate you guys, as I am very grateful, because guys, we are growing. We are really growing. Yes, yeah, so please make sure that you have subscribed if you haven't subscribed yet, for videos like beauty, fashion and lifestyle here and there. Please make sure that you have subscribed guys. Yes, so see you in the next video. Bye and I love you. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting